Ever seen an officer call a judge just to enter someone's house? When a family lawyer invokes constitutional rights to protect his friend from a surprise police visit, the confrontation becomes a tense debate over lawful enforcement versus overreach. An officer arrives at a residence seeking to apprehend a woman named Coco, wanted for missing a court hearing. Inside, her family, including a lawyer with power of attorney, questions the officer's actions, demanding to see a warrant and emphasizing their constitutional rights. The lawyer highlights inconsistencies in the officer's claims, offering a civil resolution. The officer, however, insists Coco is inside the house, pointing to her car parked outside and claiming her presence was admitted earlier. The lawyer counters, stating no such admission was made. Refusing to back down, the officer escalates the situation by calling the judge. Watch how the judge handles the situation on the call and share your opinion in the comments.
It is considered curtilage, and the Supreme Court says that once a private homeowner of private property expressly says that they don't want you on their property anymore, including the curtilage, which is open to any general member of the public, that after that, it's a civil rights violation.
Okay, then I will do this. Okay, I will step in my car. I am going to call and get a search warrant for your home. Okay. Then that means you get charged with a felony. You get charged with a felony.
No, there's no felony. How?
Oh,
what felony? Can you recite what code that is? I'm a lawyer, sir.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm an attorney. So,
all right.
I understand what's legal, what's permissible, and what's not. And if there is, an issue with Ms. Pahanish, she can handle that the proper means through documented paperwork.
I have a physical bench warrant for her arrest.
Okay, I don't see it.
It's in my car.
Okay. And I've asked you to go off of the property.
What's that, man?
Would you bring it so I can see it?
I'm not disrespecting you. I'm not being difficult, sir. I'm not
So
trying to be
now I'm
difficult.
going to call the judge, and I'm going to explain to the judge what you're trying to do and what you're trying to
all I'm doing is standing on my rights, sir. Even if he takes Coke to jail by forcing entry or whatever,
I need to know
listen,
what to do
he
to get
still is liable when it's a civil rights violation. You're going to get paid, like hundreds of thousands of dollars paid. I'm not bullshitting you at all. You haven't done anything wrong.
No, I
And in an
haven't.
order, he threatened you with arrest already.
Yes.
Both of us. Felony arrest. And what have we done? Have we injured anybody through negligence or intention? No. Has Coke done that?
Hey, ma'am, you want to step down here for a second?
See how he's not coming back? Don't let him scare you.
Judge Ankrum is on the phone.
Hi, this is Cameron Harding. I'm okay. I'm shaken, a little shaken from all this.
Okay, so it's my understanding that the female he has a warrant for is in the residence?
Correct. She's my daughter.
I understand. I don't, what's the warrant for?
I don't know.
He can tell you. He has it on
What's
him.
the warrant?
It's in the car.
He said it's in the car.
Okay.
So,
If he has
know
a
what
warrant
it's
for
for?
her arrest and you guys are keeping her in the house and you're obviously you've admitted that she's there, then you can end up getting yourselves in trouble for what's called harboring a fugitive.
I don't believe anybody has admitted that. She doesn't let you believe it.
She admitted that she's in here.
How did she admit it?
How did she admit it?
Yes.
When I knocked on the door, I said, can I speak to
Now?
Coco? She said she's in the house.
No, she told me that you said you
7 o'clock
think she's in
tonight?
here because her vehicle's here.
Okay.
She needs to come up and go with her, or you guys could end up getting yourselves in trouble. I'm not sure. He said there was another gentleman involved that was providing him like some type of legal information.
Her fiance.
Yeah, but he has every right to take that person into custody anywhere in the state of Pennsylvania.
Without reasonable articulable suspicion that they've broken the law.
What the warrant is. I have no idea what any of this is going on.
I have to assume, man, if he has it,
Sure.
it could be unpaid fines. And
Okay.
It could be something minor.
So he can
I don't
take.
wanna
He's
see you guys
gonna.
turn it into something more than
No,
what it is.
he's gonna just take her up there and. Can I meet somewhere
I knew
to
what
get
this
her?
is about.
Or-
We could solve
Where
it
do I go? Okay.
in a very
okay.
civil agreement.
All right.
I don't.
I
No
would have did
disrespect
that
to
if you
you.
would have opened the door on First Street.
But I don't
Instead of peeking out the
listen,
window.
I have been advised by my mentors to not speak to people when I'm at home.
Well, then fine.
Okay, thank you.
And
Then
that's my right to do so.
Okay.
That doesn't mean that because I choose to lean on my rights, you have to retaliate and say this is because of that, and you're not telling me what's going on when I can make a civil agreement with you, sir.
Nice as I am, like
Sir, you were not nice to me at all.
First Street.
You made threats to me and told me you're going to arrest me for a felony just when I came out here and just demonstrated my First and Fourth Amendment right.
So, yeah, because he said that he can't be arrested because she's in the house. And
I never said that either, sir.
Right.
You're putting words into my mouth. I never said those words. It's all recorded, sir.
Okay, thank you. All right, sir. All right, bye. I'm the nicest guy.
Look, man, Mr. Hutchinson, Officer Hutchinson. You officer, you sergeant, just officer?
I'm a state officer, state constable.
Okay, look, I got a cut on my hand, but I respect your job, and I know it's tough and dangerous. But on the other hand of things, I'm, an American. We're all Americans, and we have rights that
We
we're entitled
absolutely
to.
do have rights.
I don't know what this is in regards to, but if I had just have an officer show up, if I'm at home, if I'm at my mother's, if I'm at my cousin's, I tell them, as was told to me by my mentors, who are very intelligent men, you don't speak to the police without legal representation present.
And that's fine.
And you have no obligation to answer a knock at the door from an officer just as much as any person walking down the street.
You don't.
Correct. So that's...
don't.
So because of that, but because I did that, you said that because I hid from you, which I didn't hide from you, nobody hid from you, just kept going with my day. You're saying that you're gonna come here and you wouldn't have done this or whatever this means without me doing that. That's retaliation. Am I wrong?
I explained it to you on the porch when you said that she was going to...
I was so
I have to see the paperwork for anything that happened.
She missed the
and
meeting.
we can...
This has nothing to do with you.
There's a meeting, right? She missed the meeting.
A hearing. Or
A hearing.
I'm sorry.
What was it?
She missed a hearing.
A hearing.
I'm
Okay.
here
And
representing
concerning-
Miss Coco as her an attorney.
Concerning what?
Did
We
you
can't
file,
tell 'em.
Did you file your
We
paperwork?
have a power of attorney, yes.
What,
Why are you shaking your head and rolling your eyes at me? You don't take
What
that
what was the
seriously?
hearing about?
The other thing, you won't tell us anything.
Because I don't have to speak to you, sir. I really
If
don't.
I'm-
We'll come out.
We don't have to
Please
speak to
step
you
away from
either,
us.
do we? I have a confirmation number right here. What do you mean? There's never been anything in the mail.
There's two. There's three.
This is the first I've
There's
ever
four.
seen any of this shit, bro.
There's five. Now, there's 5 arrest warrants for her that you just told her to go in the house on, okay?
Yeah, because she's a fucking
And that's
scaredy
fine.
mess.
And that's fine. Now, I'm going to deal with you the appropriate way.
Bro, calm down. I came out here to talk to you. What are you doing? Why are you
Because
acting
the
like a
way
bitch?
you act.
How do I act? Like I don't...
The way you acted up there that day, but then when I put you in front of the judge, I said, well, this is her attorney. Oh, no, she wants to represent herself now. Because
That's
you didn't
her
want to speak to the
decision.
judge.
That's her decision.
Because you didn't want to open your mouth and
You
speak to
don't
the
tell...
judge.
Bro, you're not telling me. You don't know what our motivations or reasons. So why are you... Why? The
Because
attitude.
you want to play this game. You told
I
her to
ain't
go in the
playing
house and
no
lock the
game.
door.
I ain't playing no game. Somebody rolls up on my property.
And a
I
marked
don't
unit.
care. Okay, that doesn't matter to me. This is private property.
Hey, are you back from your transport? Oh. I got something down here at 126 First Street. He made the girlfriend go in the house. Now she won't.
I didn't make her. I just said to go inside until we figure this out. You're not going to roll
Yes, I
up
did see
acting
that.
all hostile, dude.
Like he says, I seen her here.
What do we have?
I-
What do we have? What does she need to? What is this
She's
all
going
about?
with me to talk to the judge.
What is it all about, though?
She has 5 arrest warrants. Okay.
Right, that's what I'm trying to understand.
She comes with me, or I call another unit down here. We kick the door in. We go get her,
But
put her in
I
the car
haven't-
physically.
legally, we have to be able to review these warrants.
No.
You don't. I don't have to legally review a warrant before.
No, you don't.
review? Not me. As I'm saying, if I'm the one under arrest.
A man attempts to file a complaint at a public building but finds the doors locked and himself detained without explanation. Confronted by officers, he questions the legality of their actions, including being placed in handcuffs and allegedly trespassed from a public place. He challenges the officers, demanding their identification and accountability, while invoking his constitutional rights. As he challenges authority and asserts his rights, the question remains: is this the moment that sparks systemic reflection, or yet another instance of citizen voices being dismissed? Watch the full clip and share your opinion in the comments.
But this is look, you see that? Is that professional to you? Okay, so, tell me again. Okay, tell me again. Why was I in handcuffs? Why was I put in handcuffs? Look. Oh, what law did I break? No, I need your name and your badge number, please. No, sir, especially you. No, sir, I need to make that complaint against you. No, sir, no. Look, sir, no, okay, this is better. And I got the right to go back in there. You guys want to arrest me for that? For my public place? They just lack a public place for me to make a complaint.
You want to make a complaint?
Okay, no, sir.
Where we're going?
I don't care.
I'll follow you.
None of your business where I'm going.
You want me to take a complaint? I want to take a complaint.
Okay, take my complaint right here then.
Okay,
Want to
so
make a complaint? Okay.
So we're not blocking their...
Okay, no, man. Hey, Avenado, come on. I talked to you before.
I know, that's why. Let's go walk.
No, I don't need to walk this way.
I'm not telling you.
No, you're not
this
telling.
This is not an order. I'm asking you.
Wait, what law am I breaking?
Okay, so we're causing
What
an
law
issue
am I
in front
breaking?
of the fire
What law
department.
is that?
That's not what I'm talking to you about, that, okay? So
Okay, no, I'm not walking anywhere. You work for me. What do you mean? They just locked the door on me. That's illegal what they just did. You know that, right?
So that's where
they
you have a
violated city ordinance and city policies and city law.
All right.
You know what I mean?
Let me get your information. I'll get back.
No, let me get you. Hey, can I get you right? Hey, can you not?
I'm gonna get a paper to write on.
Hey, here. Write your name and your badge number right here, please. Hey, write my name. Hey, write your name and the badge number. Oh, the guy's that left.
I'm gonna give you a business card with all that.
No, with his name and everybody. Hey, so you saying that it's illegal for me to stand in here, right? It's illegal. So you're trespassing me. So you're saying that I'm gonna be trespassing to go into the fire department, right?
Yes. If you have an emergency,
Oh my God! Hey, you know you're gonna be liable for what you're saying, sir.
my information.
Sir, hey, Canal, look, it's a public place, man.
Okay.
How can I be trespassed from a public place?
Well, as soon as you're interfering with the business.
What interference is a physical thing.
All right. Well, you take it to your attorney and you can talk to them about it.
Hey, you see what? You see how this guy knows more about the law than you guys? Isn't that amazing? You know what? You see what I told that guy? I was gonna be out of the handcuffs. You see the power of that guy? That fool. You see that guy? That guy that came to wave? That guy doesn't deserve to be. Hey, no. Let me get the complaint against Wade, because that guy doesn't deserve to be a cop. Yes, I want the serial number. Okay, please now, because that guy doesn't deserve to be a cop, man. You see that way he acted? He just came, put me in handcuffs without knowing what's up. He's got the. He just goes. You know what? Look at the pressure that he was forcing in me, dog. Look, man. Hey, man. No, it's hey, man. This is man. Look, this is I got a leader, and I don't want a leader. You know. But listen, man. I know my rights, bro. You see this? Why are the police doing? Why? I know you guys didn't, but you see these guys how they can get aggressive, dog. And I know my rights. Imagine if I don't know my rights, bro. I would have beat up and kicked out and killed right now, bro. Why? Because they call you guys for the complaint that I'm doing against them because I got beat up and they don't want to do their job. How you gonna let these fool do that, man? Keep violating my rights and shit. That fool came out and took my fucking wallet and everything. I told him, hey, I don't consent to no search and seizures.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Our goal is to educate people on First Amendment rights. Make sure you like our videos as much as possible. We will see you in the next video.